We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because it goes through.
Hi my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Because of the wedding season, I was so busy and I'm so sorry for not posting so often, but I promise I'll do my best. Today we'll make this braided elegant bun. So we'll begin by zigzag parting our hair, clip away one of those sections, and then you want to begin a simple Dutch braid and make sure to make it loose. If your hair is silky or doesn't hold a loose braid, make sure to use some texturizing spray, or you can use some powder or a dry shampoo before making it to pull apart your hair so it will be voluminous.
Treatment ain't no cure, just making it harder. Keep on acting busy on your phone. I just wanna feel your touch.
Tie the ends using a ribbon band, but on last time make sure to pull your hair only halfway through, creating a loop.
Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days.
Now you want to roll up your braid like I'm showing and pin it in place. Then you want to make the same braid on the other side, but I'll suggest you to make it even looser than first one. Fan out your braid as you are braiding it, and then you want to tie the ends. You can pull your hair only halfway through. Now you want to twist your braid like I'm showing, pin it in place at this point, and then you want to wrap it around the first braided bun, tie the ends, pin it in place, fan it out if you need, use some hairspray, and you're done! Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this elegant but effortless looking bun. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified every time I post a new amazing hairstyle. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. See you soon in my next video. Bye.